Hi everyone, this is Chef Filippo from Solare Kitchen, and today I'm going to show you how to perfectly season and roast the leg of lamb, Tuscan style, with those simple ingredients: thyme, rosemary, garlic, mint, celery, onion, carrot and lemon zest. Let's get hands-on. Start with the soffritto. Clean your celery, carrots and onion and roughly chop and set them on a pan with a little bit of extra virgin olive oil. Take your beautiful leg of lamb and tidy it up with a cooking twine, having care of filling the bone cavity with your favorite herbs. Here I use rosemary, garlic, those are mandatory, and I put a little bit of sage and lemon zest. Keep tying up your meat. You see, you go around with the twine and you keep it tight. Keep the twine with your thumb and do it again. That's an easy, very easy process. Give your leg of lamb the same shape that as it before to take out the bone. In order to season the meat more evenly, with a long skinny knife, make some incision and push on that incision garlic and rosemary again. So that's gonna be melting and seasoning the meat during the cooking process. Let's twist the knife a little bit and push it. Our meat is now basically ready to go on fire. Just sprinkle a little bit of pepper, massage all around, salt, and there you go, ready, on fire. With olive oil, a little bit of white wine to control the temperature. Be sure that you sear the meat, all sides, especially be sure that you melt all the fat outside. That is gonna give the flavor, and we start to build our gravy that is gonna season the meat at the very end. So now take care of the meat and be sure that you flip. This process is gonna take you around 5 minutes, and now we're gonna skip to the point that the meat is seared already and the veggie come back on fire. Deglaze with white wine. That's allowed to recover all the juice from the cooking. Go get your vegetable and take it back on fire. Here, take out the meat from the fire and put the veggie back. Now we're gonna roast very quickly the veggie, and we're gonna place the meat on top of it. All the juice that we recover from the cooking, it goes on top of our leg of lamb. Now, before to put the meat on the oven, we wanna season a little bit, start thinking to our gravy. So here, my fresh herbs. You can pick what you want, but for this recipe, I use some fresh mint, which is always good with lamb. Some lavender, which gives a touch of freshness. Sage. And I wanna give a touch of spice, so a fresh chili pepper, roll on your hand, so the seeds come out very easy. Always eliminate the seeds. That's gonna give too much spice. We don't wanna overpower the delicious sweetness of the lamb here, but we just wanna add a little pop up. And now we're definitely ready. I found a bay leaf. In some more rosemary. You know, rosemary is never enough, especially cooking Tuscan style. White wine, keep always the temperature of the extra virgin olive oil low, and we cover everything with some aluminum foil. And we go straight in the oven, preheated oven 180 Celsius degree. Take out the foil 20 minutes before, and you see the beauty is ready. Set the meat aside, and while it's resting, take care of the gravy. So start straining everything from your pot, crush a little bit, and recover all the juice. Put on fire, strain some cornstarch. You can use flour if you want, but cornstarch is gluten-free, so please everybody. Strain again, so you eliminate all eventual flour or cornstarch lump. And let's see what we got here. Our beautiful lamb leg. Let's open it up. Oh, it's like butter, juicy and tender, perfectly rested. Let's get this stuff in a plate. Here, our beautiful leg of lamb, Tuscan style, with its own gravy. Enjoy, and I'll wait for you next week for a new recipe. Ciao!